Hello viewers, in this video I'll show you how to fix YouTube try searching to get started problem on YouTube application. If you want to solve this problem, please follow the step. Step 1. Long page or long tab in YouTube application. Go to Apps Info. Click on Storage. Again click on Clear Data. Tap on Clear Cache Data. Step 2. Open Play Store. Go to Search. Search YouTube app. Update your YouTube application latest version. Step 3. Open your phone setting. Check internet or Wi-Fi connection. You make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data connection is properly or stable connection. Step 4. Restart your device and again open it. You can follow all of the steps to fix YouTube try searching to get started problem on YouTube application.